welcome to Sevat Recipes. Today we're going to show you how to do butter chicken with mushroom. Let me show you how to do it. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken with garlic, salt, corn flour, plain flour, baking soda and mix them well and leave it for 10 minutes. Now we're going to fry the chicken, putting in the butter. Putting in the chicken one by one. Just move them around and then you turn them. The flame needs to be medium for the chicken to cook from inside to outside. It's already cooked enough. I'm taking it out. In the same butter, I'm putting in 1 piece of finely chopped onion. Put in some salt. Now I'm adding in garlic. Now the garlic and onion saute well. I'm adding mushroom. Adding in some olive oil. Now I'm adding in fresh rosemary, followed by fresh thyme and little parsley, pepper, cinnamon. And then add in the fried chicken. Now I'm adding in evaporated cream. I'm adding in some water. If you want to serve this dish, you can serve within 1 hour, 2 hours. If it's going to take longer time, later you can add water, cream, milk. Why? Because the chicken will absorb the milk faster. Now it's come to a boil. I'm turning around to make the sauce more thicker. Now I'm adding in lemon skin, followed by pamesan cheese. The sauce is already getting thicker. Now I'm going to off it and serve it. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat Recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.